What is Biodome Project? It's a question we get asked quite often, and I'll do my best to break it down for you. Biodome Project was a clever name given to our experimental indoor gardening project we started over a decade ago. Since then, we've morphed into our local market. Here you can find an assortment of locally produced artisan goods, a wide array of locally produced food, and our original plant and garden supplies that we started out with. In the artisans market portion of our shop, we rent shelf space to different area vendors and makers. You can find a wide arrangement of goods that are all produced locally in your community, from clothing, pottery, woodwork, jewelry, food products, and so much more. Biodome Project specializes in procuring locally produced food goods. These goods are produced by local farmers in your area as well as regionally and throughout the state. You can find anything from frozen goods such as ice cream, soups, and pastas, to cheeses, meats, and fresh seasonal produce. It's important to us to provide you with the freshest local food as well as supporting our local farmers and economies. Since its inception, it's always been part of Biodome's mission to inspire our community to grow their own food. As always, you can find a wide array of gardening supplies here at the Biodome, from lights, potting soil, seeds, starter plants, nutrients, and all the other good stuff you need to create a good garden at home. No, we don't yet have a biodome, but we're working on it. In the meantime, you can support everything under one roof. You can support your local farmer, your local artisan and maker, other local companies. You can grow your own and support local everything.